Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I've never done this on my channel before. It is called Get Ready With Me. So what basically this means is I usually do what I'm doing. I would usually do my makeup how I would do whenever I'm going out, but today I decided to film that. It is not a tutorial, so I'm not explaining you the steps or like how to go about it. I'm just doing the makeup and just telling you what products I'm using. But anyway, I am going to meet my friend Shivani. I'm gonna go see her and chill and go to Taco. Apparently there is this rap competition for Gully Boy, so it's like a finale thing today, so I'm really excited. She invited me and yeah, so that's what I'm getting ready for. Enough of me jibber jabbering. Now let's just get into the video. Alright, so this is a clean canvas, as clean as it can get. So I'm gonna go in with the coverFX anti-acne primer. It's a mattifying primer, really good for acne prone skin. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer just on the areas that needs concealing before I go in with the foundation. This is a little trick I like to do on the days that I do like to use foundation. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in soft beige. I think I'm going to take it on the back of my hand instead of my face. So today I sort of just feel like doing everything with a beauty sponge. For brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Pomade in the number 106 Ebony. So I just highlight with this. And trust me, even though my face looks white as a ghost, it's all just gonna come together. For my eyes today, I'm using this pretty bedazzled palette from the Cosmo collection. Look at the shades. It's just so pretty. Going into the brown. This is really pretty, creamy and super pigmented, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna buff the color all over my eyelid. Matte brown. I don't know if you can see. So I don't want tonight's eyes to be all crazy and like smoked out or anything with black, but I still want a little bit of definition, so I think this is pink, but looks pink and lavender to me. I'm just gonna dab that in the center. That's Valentine's Day tomorrow, not today, so I might as well just do a little pink. I ordered this off of Myglamm. This is in the shade Queen. So it's like loose glitter. This is what the packaging looks like. And yeah. I think this has some loose glitter as well. And I'm just gonna pat this all over my lid, just keeping it close to the lash line. So of course I'm going to use my trusted Tarteist Pro Glow palette. It's so pretty, like look at it. It has everything. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I got this from the Kiko store. It's the Gold Waves bronzer in the shade 01 Sun Celebration Honey. Oh my god, that was a mouthful. But look at how cute this packaging is. It's so beautiful. Anything gold, I'm sold. Blush, again, everything's gold. I'm going with the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Sculpting Blush. So I'm going into this beautiful shade and a little bit of both actually, and just stamping it all over my cheek. And stamp. I'm gonna spray my face and set everything, and then do my highlight. Because if you do your highlight on top of your setting spray, it's just like out on your face, and that's pretty much what I'm going for. Let's get to highlighting. I'm gonna use the shade Stunner and Lit. Stunner and Lit from this palette. Now to some lipstick, using the Clarins Moisture Lipstick in Rosewood 752. It's such a pretty color. Look. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. This is all for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!